One, two, three.
The time is now.
Elimu Pi Bikeathon. The time is
Now.
Elimu Pi Bikeathon.
The time is now.
Now, this is because the theme of this year for the International Day of the African Child is saying that giving quality education to the African child, and the time is now. And we are cycling for a good cause, and this is the time for the African child to be able to be empowered and to make change from their community and also across the world through innovation. Now, sir. 1, 2, 3.
The time is now.